Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. Today we will talk about techniques of SEO. White hat or grey hat and black hat SEO are the techniques of SEO. There are always two ways of doing everything. One is the right way and the other is the wrong way. The right way of doing search engine optimization is called white hat SEO, and the wrong way of doing search engine optimization is called black hat SEO. Today we will discuss what is black hat SEO and white hat SEO, what techniques are used in them, and I will also tell you whether black hat SEO is used in our real life or not. White hat SEO is the ethical and organically way of doing search engine optimization. Natural SEO is the result of doing it correctly. The techniques of SEO in which you follow the guidelines of search engine or follow the restrictions of search engines. We are doing SEO without breaking the rules of the search engine and trying to rank the website on the first page organically. Black hat SEO means an ethical way of doing search engine optimization. Here we use the techniques that Google or other search engines have banned or put restrictions on them that you don't have to follow these techniques. Black hat SEO means the wrong way of SEO, where we are not following the guidelines, rules, and restrictions of the search engine. If you use black hat SEO on your website, then your website will be blacklisted. So it will be a big loss for us and for our client's website too. We should avoid black hat SEO. Now, one more thing I am wondering if these are the types of SEO or the techniques of SEO. So, if we talk about on the base of strategy, white hat and black hat SEO are the techniques of SEO because these are the way of doing anything or doing search engine optimization. Let's talk about white hat SEO techniques. Content optimization. We will optimize the content, write our content in an authentic way. We will do good work, keyword research, and put better keywords in the right place. We will do better technical SEO so that the technical difficulties and hurdles in the website are removed. We will work on the page load time of our website. Our goal is to decrease it to improve the user experience. Okay, black hat SEO techniques. Keyword stuffing. The most popular technique of black hat SEO is called keyword stuffing. The placement of the keyword should be done in a natural way, not by overstuffing and repeating the same word again and again. Duplicate content. Duplicate content means copying someone else's content and pasting it on your website and web pages. Cloaking means that you are something else from inside and you have something else outside. You can say you have covered or cloaked yourself or have hidden yourself. That means the content on the web page is something else, but we are showing our crawler something else. This is wrong. And the examples of these are HTML cloaking, JavaScript cloaking, and client server cloaking. Link spamming. Link spamming means creating many random backlinks, posting different links on your web pages. Hidden text and hidden links means your web page has a white background and you are showing some keywords from white text. Now the user will not see it, but our crawler will see those words. Avoid these techniques always. Here is the question is, do we use black SEO in our real life? So, whenever we do practical work, we try our best to use white hat SEO techniques. But many times, you will get such clients who want fast results, organic reach, but don't have a big budget. In that case, you have to use white hat SEO, but 1 or 2% is used by many people. Again, I will say that the line is already created by algorithm that how much is black hat and how much is white hat. This is 1 to 2%. But this 1 to 2% is very difficult to define and calculate. How will you find out that I have done 2% black hat SEO? You will learn that thing with a lot of experience. Gray hat techniques. If you are doing white hat SEO up to 95%, and if I talk about 5% of black hat techniques, then it becomes gray hat techniques. And I will say that mostly in the practical world, grey hat techniques are used. But again, you won't even know when it turns in black hat. So you will understand all these things after a lot of experience. If you are a fresher or started recently SEO, or if you don't have experience of many years, then don't follow black hat techniques at any cost. Thanks for watching, viewers. That's all from today's video. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.